Hello and welcome to English Snacks, a delicious little podcast where we delve into the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Amber. I'm here to help you develop your fluency, one bite-sized lesson at a time. Please feel free to enjoy this snack at a slower speed if you need, or pause between example sentences if you'd like to repeat them. I serve you the English snack, but how you enjoy it is your choice. Last episode, we looked at ways to describe the heat. Now, let's cool off a little and discover ways to describe the cold. For those of you in the Northern Hemisphere, I hope it helps you imagine a cold day so you feel some relief. And for those in the Southern Hemisphere currently going through winter, I wish I could send you some of the warmth and sunshine from my place. Let's get into our expressions and example sentences. Feel free to pause if you'd like to repeat them. 1. It's freezing, meaning it's very cold. Example, don't forget your coat, it's freezing outside. 2. It's chilly, meaning a little cold, but not too bad. Example, it's a bit chilly this morning. I need a sweater. 3. The temperature dropped, meaning it became colder. Example, the temperature dropped last night, so the roads are icy. 4. There's a cold wind, meaning the wind feels very cold. Example, there's a cold wind blowing from the north. 5. I can see my breath, meaning the air is cold enough that your breath looks like smoke. Example, it's so cold I can see my breath in the air. 6. It's bitterly cold, meaning extremely cold and unpleasant. Example, I stayed inside because it was bitterly cold outside. Well done! You showed up today and finished this episode. I hope you found it cool, but not too cold. I hope you feel nourished and energized after this English snack. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'll be here dishing out bite-sized lessons to fuel your growth. So, come hungry for knowledge.